Valuation is a term that you must have heard of if you belong to the startup ecosystem or if you have ever watched a single episode of Shark Tank.
1.5 crore for 0.5% equity. तो आइए मिलके बनाते हैं इमेजिमेक को एक वर्ल्ड लीडर.
300 करोड़.
And the valuation of the company is derived by a registered valuer by a report that is called a valuation report, which is also a statutory requirement before issuing any equity. And these valuation reports are created on the basis of different methods and different metrics. But I have seen early stage founders trying to skip this process of obtaining a valuation report for multiple reasons. But the question is, can they actually skip it legally or not? And the answer for this question is something that we will discuss in this video. So the answer to this question is yes, an early stage founder can get money in his startup from an investor without going through the process of getting a valuation report. But for that, he cannot issue equity of this company or the startup that he is dealing with. But what he can do is issue a convertible note. And a simple and brief understanding of a convertible note is that it is an instrument which has hybrid features both of equity and debt, and it becomes a very useful instrument in cases where the startup founder does want money for the startup but at the same time does not want to dilute equity upfront. And through this procedure, the step of getting a valuation report done can be absolutely skipped. However, one thing that needs to be taken care of is that if the company wants to issue a convertible note, the value of that note has to be more than rupees 25 lakhs from a single investor. If it is below than that, then a convertible note cannot be issued.